Hello, dear students. So, after working in our student book, Prime Time number 5, we're going to work in our workbook and grammar book, module number 1. In this second hour, you are going to work by yourself, page number 4, activity 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you have any doubt during your work, please write to me an email at Edusoft and I'm going to be answering your doubts. As soon as you finish this page, please take a picture, take a photo and send it at Edusoft as homework. After that, you have to work in your grammar bank. Module number 1, page 89, about the present tenses. Today we practice a lot about it. You asked so many questions. If you still have any doubt, please ask. Any doubt you have, please clarify it, right? You finish page 89. Then page 90. Activities 3, 4, 5, and 6. Please take a picture of page 89 and page 90 and send as homework at Edusoft. So, in this second hour, you have two pieces of homework, right? The first one about the workbook and the second one about the grammar bank, right? You have to send that in the second hour. For the next week, for Tuesday, you are going to have homework at live worksheets. You're going to have 2 pieces of homework too. So do the homework, and you know that as soon as you finish your homework, I get a notification and I know that you are working. Please be responsible with your work. Do every task that is assigned. Remember that the harder you work, the better you get. Next week, we're going to work about some writing, not too much grammar, right? So, bye-bye. See you next week.